Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to control the sensitive content issue that faced on the Instagram. So you have a sensitive control option on the Instagram setting. So try this option and you can just control the sensitive content. There will be three options like more, less. So we can just switch to that and we can just control the sensitive content, suggested content on the Instagram. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So you see this type of sensitive content on your Instagram, you just can control by changing the sensitive control setting. So first of all, click on the three dot option on the top. Then you just need to scroll down and you just need to find a setting that I just suggesting you. So here you have this option called content preference. Click on this. So here you can have an option called sensitive content. Click on this. After clicking on the sensitive content, here you can find three options like less, standard and more. If your setting is on the more option, just try to make it on the standard option. So you might see some sensitive content. So if you just choose the less option, you might see less sensitive content. This will control the sensitive content videos that shows on the Instagram. So you just need to click on the setting first, then go to the content preference and just click on the sensitive content and here the setting. So try to change the setting to the less content. So you might have to see a less sensitive content. This is one of the methods. So if this method work for you, just comment below. If it doesn't work, I have already created another 2 videos. You can just check on my description. I just posted on the YouTube. Try that method too. And this is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a beautiful and also a wonderful day.